first we are going through the prerequisite of that. So here is the Angular basics. Angular basic has the basic prerequisite like some HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Visual Studio, code knowledge, Node.js, CLI, some programming language required of AngularJS or Angular knowledge. So we can see here like what is the Angular? Angular is nothing but to it's called SPA, means single page applications. Angular is one type of single page application. It is a one page have a footer, header, and border like that. When we are going to load data, to not fully Angular page are refreshed. Only what the things are required. Those page like footer refreshed and border are refreshed like Angular. Angular is a web framework that empower developer to build fast and reliable applications. Angular provide a broad suite of tools, APIs, and library to simplify and streamline your development workflow. Angular gives you the solid platform on which to build fast, reliable application that scale with both size of team and size of your code base. And next we are going to see the basic installation process. First we are going to download Visual Studio and they run as administrator as the admin. And download Node.js latest version we need to download from Google and check version using Node-v, and after that to use command prompt and command prompt we need to create folder where we are required in desktop, and whatever you want to choose just choose, and after that use npm to install our npm, and after that we are going to create our project with name of engineer and project name, and we are going to see how the all things are running from code and Visual Studio, and one by one. So first we are go on download Visual Studio. This is a UI, sorry, this is the Google link, and you need to go come here and download. If we are using a window application, if we are using a window, so then we are going to download a window. If we are using Ubuntu, so just to go click on that for Ubuntu, and if you are using for Mac, so just click here and download these things. After that, this is downloaded, to go and check Visual Studio are there or not. If in my system is the Visual Studio is already downloaded, so we can see here Visual Studio. Just go and right click and open with run as admin. Click yes, and after that, once Visual Studio is open, Visual Studio code is open. This is the IDE. This is called a Visual Studio IDE, and after that we go and install Node.js. Node.js also same things. We go and latest version we can download is right now we are using a window application. So we just click on window application, window installer, and they are installed. And also after that installation we go and check Node.js. Here is already Node.js, so that's why we can see here Node.js. After that Node.js is installed, Visual Studio Code is already installed. So after that we are going to CMD. CMD is also we need to open and run ad admin. So after that we need to check here what the library we have installed. So first we check node-v. Here, see, latest version of Node is there. And now check here Angular ng version Angular is installed in my system already. So that's why Angular CLI 19 is the latest version. Latest version is 19. Node is 22.12.0, and package manager npm is 10.9. This is the our latest version. So first we go on a desktop and create a new folder like test Angular is our new folder. go on cd, so we go on check complete path from here and cd paste. We come in this folder, test folder we come here, and now we used npm npm install hyphen g at the rate at the rate uh, angular slash CLI and click install. They will take some time if your internet connection is very good to they install very fast. If your Angular sorry internet connection is low to they will take some time to just to be wait for some time.
See, this is
After
install or not.
Acha, here 272 packages are already installed. So we can see because in my system is already installed, so that's why they will not take more time. And now we are going to create a project like ng new project name angular new because I have already created multiple sub project, so that's why just click enter. And here they ask which css you want to use, so just say same simple css we are using, to just click on yes, just click on yes. And then after that, would you like to use the server routing and app engine API developer? Yes, we are using a routing. And they are installing a package already. We have a CLI is installed, so currently we are a complete folder structure are created after new project. Wait for some time, some npm and packages are installed. Is all green signal are there means we are going in the right way. If any issues are there, just here is the red color red color are here, to just wait for some time. Yeah, package installed successfully. So now we can see package are successfully. If we are going directly in the code structure, just click code three time dot, click enter. They directly open our new project and new folder. New project in Visual Studio directly, a new folder structure as there. Project name is Angular new. Our project name is inside this folder Angular new. Source is already we discussed source, and source have a app folder have the main app folder have our main folder, that where is the app.component.css we are use app.component.html we are use app.component.ts is the main is the main TypeScript file are there. So just go and first check our Angular is running or not. Go and click here terminal. In terminal, we are not using PowerShell. We are using command prompt. Command prompt. So we are not in the yes, CD. Yeah, and ng ng sub command use for run our project. This project is building. Yeah, project is run. We are going to click this location. Our project is running on this location. Just click. This will take some time. to run. Oh, wow, this our first Angular project is running what we required. Congratulations, your app is running fine.